KTCC presents Karnataka Business Awards.
Yeah, we go for the next category. That would be fast growing brand in PCB assembly and wiring harness manufacturing. And the award goes for Charon Technology Solutions Private Limited. Charon Technology Solutions Private Limited. Karnataka Business Awards 2026 presenting the next award. That's Charon Technology Solutions Private Limited. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, once again, please put your hands together. The couple who has been a great achiever. This is the second award. What exactly they've been achieved in this 2026. Congratulations once again for Charon Technologies and family. Ladies and gentlemen, Mattunsila, Chappale Kandre, Chappale. Congratulations for Charon Technology Solutions Private Limited. The next category would love to welcome